Hi guys, my client today was referred to me by another makeup artist, and this is actually the second time I'm doing her makeup. I just want to say thank you for trusting me again. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also, share this video with anyone who loves makeup tutorials or is looking to enhance their skills. Before we dive into this tutorial, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has supported my journey so far. To every makeup artist, client, or friend who has referred me, shared my post, or recommended my work. Thank you for your love and trust. It means so much to me, and I do not take it for granted. By now, you probably know my skincare routine already. So it's the foundation for me always. So for any flawless makeup, once I had that base ready, I always proceed to apply my foundation, and I blend my foundation using a damp beauty blender. Even when I use a brush, I still go in with a beauty blender. Trust me, a beauty blender is a game changer in your makeup routine for achieving that smooth, flawless finish. Next, I grab the small brush to apply concealer to those areas I want to pop, like under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, and the chin. Quick tip, guys, always go for a concealer 2 shades lighter than your foundation. It's perfect for sculpting and defining the face. After applying, I switched to my beauty blender for a gentle blend. No rushing here. Take your time to ensure everything is flawless. So when blending under the eyes, I always ask my client to tilt their chin down and look up. This little trick stretches the skin under the eyes, making blending a very easy, breezy thing for me to do. Once everything was blended, I sprayed the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray over the face. This is my go-to for locking in the base before moving to powders. So I went in to reblend the under eye area with my beauty blender to smooth out any creases before setting it all with my Huda Beauty translucent setting powder. So when setting the under eyes, you want to focus on key areas such as the under eyes, the forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and even the sides of the mouth for a matte finish. Like, I did this just in case of smile lines and stuff like that. For the rest of the face, I dusted on a compact powder using a fluffy powder brush to bring everything together. Now onto contouring. For most clients, I stick to a powder contour, except for brides or when the occasion really kind of like demands it, like when it's something extra, So I defined the bridge of her nose and used that as a starting point for the eye makeup. Honestly, makeup is art, guys. It's all about flow and creativity. For her eye look, I started with soft browns as a base, adding burnt oranges and bronzy tones from my beloved CKL palette. And guys, you already know, like, browns, burnt oranges, like these are colors that just like go with the flow of like a black girl, a dark skin girl kind of makeup. So, and CKL palette is like my go-to. So since my client she was actually heading to an office party, and with an outfit that was giving, bruh, her outfit ate. Like, I couldn't get videos, but her outfit really ate. I moved on to add some dark browns to the outer corners for depth and drama. And don't forget, guys, blending is key here. Don't stop until everything looks airbrushed and flawless. You can see the eyeshadow. You can see I took my time. Everything was looking flawless. Everything is giving what it's supposed to be giving and all that. To take the look further, I used an eyeshadow primer, applying it first with my fingers, and this was done to help me gain control of the quantity of products I was applying, because I didn't want to use a brush and have too much product. I used my hands because I really wanted that control of the product use. Okay, yes, here I'm applying the primer. I start off with my hands first, apply it and make sure to work that in first. And once that was done, I blended it out with a small fluffy eyeshadow brush to avoid any harsh lines. You're going to see me use that now. So here I'm just using the fluffy eyeshadow, small detailed eyeshadow brush to just blend that in to avoid any harsh line or any creasing. Then here comes the shimmer. So I use shimmer eyeshadow. For shimmer eyeshadow or shimmery eyeshadow, whichever you want to call it, shimmery, let me know, bite my tongue, guys. I always wet my brush before applying shimmer eyeshadow. This helps intensify the pigment and gives that stunning reflective finish. You might be wondering what's the difference between shimmer eyeshadow and matte eyeshadow. So shimmer eyeshadows have a shiny, luminous quality, finish to them, unlike mattes, which are more powdery and flat. So after applying the shimmery eyeshadow, I define the shimmer with a tiny eyeliner brush, almost mimicking a subtle cut crease, and just watch me do it. And I proceeded to deepen the outer corners for a smoky vibe. A quick smudge of dark eyeshadow under the eyes completed the look and made it really sultry. And let me tell you guys, this video was a live video I did on TikTok, and all through the session I was using my internet, and I had no idea that my Wi-Fi was acting up, because I wasn't going back and forth. I only told my client I was going to make a video, and I couldn't save most of the clips because they were all slow or paused or something like that. But here we had a finished look. The look turned out perfect, and guys, I know you'll love this look. And if you love it and want to learn how to slay like this for yourself, I offer one-on-one makeup classes. Just hit me up to book a session, and share your thoughts about this look in the comment section, or looks you would like me to create. And until I pop up here again, guys, I hope you learned something today. And if there's anything you guys would love me to create or talk about, or whatever it is, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be reading from you guys. See ya.